There you go, look at that. Bit of manoeuvring. I came out there, into there, reversed back into here. It's a bit hard when you've got no side mirrors. Manoeuvring my way around the trees, stumps and rocks. There's me big logs. There, 3 or 4 metres to load it up. Hey Windy. I'll be here for a while. Made me little chainsaw. But not a bad place to work. I really want to get over there. Small land over there too. I'll walk over there. I'm going to drive over there. Anyway, one day. Need a dozer.